like to thank everybody for liking and subscribing to the videos. Got an update, kind of got this done this weekend. Didn't get a video done on it, but wanted to show y'all. I still need to mount the other step. Cab's getting some work done on it. Gonna put some pictures of that cab up for you here in just a second. We're getting the windows tinted, getting the bed liner sprayed on the floor, and it's ready to install. Got a crane coming this weekend to put that cab on. So I'm gonna try to get that to y'all as soon as we can. One of the things I've done is I've put these steps on. I looked at RBP's website. Very nice, very big step. Has some expanded metal in the bottom of it, which I really like. One of the main reasons I decided to put steps on this truck is you had to have a ladder to get in it. You cannot physically open this door. You can climb up this tire all you want, but you can't open this door and get past the door to get in the truck. If I'm standing 5'8" and I put my arm up right here, you can see that door handle is going to be about where that crossbar is, which is almost 8.5 feet. There's no way to reach it to even open this door. So if the truck's parked somewhere and I want to be able to get in it, this is going to help a lot. I'm going to do that real quick and show you what that looks like. So I can use a step for a handhold right here. You can climb the tire up, and of course you'll have the windshield cross member right here. You can climb up this way. You can step onto the step, top of the cab, step behind the door, grab the door handle, flip it open, crawl in, and then shut the door. So it's something that's kind of a necessity. Otherwise, you're gonna have to carry a ladder everywhere, and that's not an accessory I want to be hauling around in the back. So anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I'm gonna throw those videos over the cab right now. Y'all have a good one.